loves, welcome to my channel. I'm Christina Danielle. Today is December 23rd, meaning that there is 2 days until Christmas. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I come up with this winter themed makeup look. But before I get into it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you're notified when I upload. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with a fresh face other than my eyebrows, and I have primed my eyelids just a little bit. So I'll be actually using 3 eyeshadow palettes. So the first one that I'm going to start off with is the Pure Masquerade palette, and I'm going to start with that dark chocolate brown. It's so pretty and smooth. So I'm just going to put that in the crease. Just work that into the crease. I think that'll be a good transition color for the colors that I'm going for. Okay, so I'm just taking my Morphe brush and just blending it in. Alright, so now I am to the Dark Magic palette, which is Jaclyn Hill's palette. And so I'm going to put that pretty blue in the V area, okay? So like I told you guys in tutorials before, with the Jaclyn Hill Vault eyeshadows, you actually have to pack it on. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to take that brush and spread it throughout that crease, okay? So I'm just taking my Beast Mode blender brush and just blending it through so it's, just blends a little bit better, okay? So now I'm on the Perception palette, okay? And this is Makeup Shayla's palette. And I am taking that pretty blue and I'm putting that in the crease and a little bit further up in front of the color, the other dark blue color from the Dark Magic palette. Okay, so I'm just like working it on and packing it on with the mini brush. So now I'm going to take some concealer and I'm just kind of semi-cut the crease a little bit. But what I noticed is as I was putting that concealer on, it kind of turned the colors a little bit greenish, I guess, if that makes any sense. And I think it's Makeup Forever foundation, but it was too light, so I'm using it as concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to the Dark Magic palette again, and I'm going to put that glitterish, silverish color where I put the concealer. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take some black glitter eyeliner and I'm going to put on that bottom lash line. Alright, so I'm just working that in there. Okay, next I'm going to take some gel eyeliner and put on that top lash line. Just a little thin coat. I don't want it too thick, and I'm not going to wing it either because I'm wearing eyelashes. So I'm going to take the Great Lash mascara. So this is nothing fancy about this mascara. It's just like Old Faithful when I can't find my other one. So I'm just putting it a little bit on the top because I am wearing eyelashes like I said before, and that's like the eye look for now. Okay, so I'm going to start on my actual face. Okay, so I am taking some primer and I'm putting that on my face, and I'm using this Maybelline Stick Foundation in the color 360, and I'm just putting that all over. Now I normally use the Fit Me 360, but I ran out, so this is just like my backup. So I'm just blending it in with my foundation brush, and now I'm going to begin to contour and highlight. So first I start with my nose, and I'm using the Fenty Trio, one of the Trio sticks, and I'm just going ahead and putting the marks, on my forehead, underneath my cheekbones, on my nose. And I'm going to be highlighting with Maybelline Stick Foundation in the color 330. Alright, so I'm just putting those marks on my face, and I'm going to begin blending with my beauty sponge. So I damp my beauty sponge a little bit and just go ahead and work that concealer and contour in. So I use the concealer to actually crispen or just like straighten that makeup eyeshadow line that I have. So I'm just blending it in. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and set it. I forgot the name of this, guys. I will actually put that setting powder down in the description box. I totally forgot. But I received it out of my BoxyCharm. So I'm just going to set my concealer with that. And as my concealer is setting, I'm going to go ahead and put on my eyelashes, okay? To give that time to bake or whatever. So I've learned with putting on eyelashes, the easiest way to apply eyelashes is once the glue is like semi-dry. So I'm just taking my time and making sure that's dry a little bit. And then once you stick it, it's perfect. You don't have any problems with your eyelashes or applying them. Alright, so now that my eyelashes are on, I'm just taking a brush and just brushing all of that setting powder, the residue off my face. And I totally forgot in this video to put on my setting spray, but I normally do put on my setting spray. So I'm just taking my mascara and making sure that my eyelashes and the eyelashes, the falsies, are blended well. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Dark Magic palette again, and that pretty blue that I started off with, I'm going to smudge. I'm going to smudge it under my eye a little bit, and then I'm going to add a silvery color out of the Perception palette into my tear duct. Alright, so now I'm going to start on a little bit of highlight. So this is the Pure Masquerade palette again that I'm using. It has highlight and blush, but I'm only just going to be using that highlight in there. Alright, so now I'm just working on my lips. This is a dark brown pencil, so I'm just outlining it. I'm going to use like a nude lip basically. Whenever my eyes pop, I want my lips kind of to be like calm, you know? So I'm just adding that Huda Beauty lipstick, matte lipstick, and it's just a kind of nude color. And then I'm going to take my Tarte shimmer lip gloss on top of that just to give it like some pop. And that's really all to this look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow, Christmas Eve. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.